Hi everyone, welcome to Social Studies class. The universe. In this lesson, already we covered some topics. Origin of the universe, the Milky Way, the solar system. How universe was formed, how originated, due to a big bang. Bang means explosion. Okay. Next, what is our home galaxy name? The Milky Way. What is the meaning of galaxy? A group of the stars. What are the heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called the heavenly bodies. What is the universe? The stars, the planets, the moon, the planets, and all galaxies over the world, all the world. It is called universe. Universe means world, everything in the world. It is called universe. Next, our topic is planetary movements. Already we discussed about planets also in solar system. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. Which is the farthest planet to the sun? Neptune. Yes. Which is the third nearest planet? Our Earth. Which is the fifth biggest planet? Our Earth. Yes. Morning evening star? Venus. Red planet? Mars. Ringed planet? Saturn. Blue green planet? Uranus. Yes, we discussed all the things, right? All the topics. Now, planetary movements. It means planets, every planet is having movement. Okay? Movement. There are two kinds of movements. Every planet has two kinds of movements. How many kinds of movements? Two. What are the two movements? Rotation, revolution. Rotation and revolution. How many kinds of movements are there? Two kinds of movements. What are they? Rotation and revolution. What is the rotation? Moving on its own axis. It is called rotation. Okay. Example, what is this? Globe. This is a model of the earth. It means photo of the earth planet. Yes, this is rotating. Where it is rotating? On its axis. Yes, on its axis. This is rotation. Moving on its own axis. It is moving itself like this. Okay, this is rotation. Moving on its own axis is called rotation. At the same time, all the planets are moving around the sun. Okay, this is revolution. Next movement, around the sun. This is revolution. What is this? Revolution. This is rotation. Just it is moving on its axis itself. This is rotation, and moving around the earth, around the sun. This is revolution. Okay, there is a lot of difference between rotation and revolution. Moving itself on its own axis is called rotation. Moving around the sun is called revolution. Example, if this is sun sun around, there are so many ways. Okay, eight ways, 8 planets. How many planets are there? 8. So 8 ways. This way is called orbit. What is this? Orbit. Moving around the sun in fixed orbit. Fixed orbit. It means, which is the nearest planet to the sun? Mercury. Mercury moves in this fixed imaginary line, imaginary way. It is called orbit. Next, Venus. Venus also should move only in this imaginary way. It is called orbit. This imaginary way, like a road, right? This way is called orbit. Third nearest planet to the sun, Earth. Earth is rotating, moving around the sun in this fixed way. It is called orbit. The way on which planet is moving around the sun, this is called orbit. What is revolution? The planet moving around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Rotation, moving the planet on its own axis, is called rotation. Okay, what are the uses from rotation and revolution? Let us learn what are the uses from rotation and revolution, especially about the earth rotation and earth revolution. Let us see. Earth itself moving on its axis. Okay, earth itself moving on its axis, this is called rotation, right? If the earth completed one rotation, one day will over, one day is over. So simply we can understand, due to earth rotation, one day completing. To rotate, example, if I am the earth, I am rotating, and to come same place, it should take some time, right? Earth is also rotating itself. To complete one rotation, one day, exactly 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. Okay, exactly 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds it is taking. So how many hours in a day? 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours in a day. So for one rotation of the earth, one day is taking. So due to earth rotation only, earth days are coming. Okay, days are completing. Next, revolution. Earth moving around the sun. To complete one revolution, earth is taking 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours. How many days it is taking? 365 days and 6 hours. It means 1/4 day. 365 days meaning is a year. To complete one full revolution, Earth is taking 1 year. Yes, how many kinds of years? There are two kinds of years. One is normal year. One is normal year. Another one is leap year. One is normal year and another one is leap year. In a normal year, we have 365 days. In a normal year, we have 365 days. In February, we have 28 days. In which year? If it is a normal year, 365 days are there. In February, 28 days are there. Okay. Leap year means we have 366 days. How many days? 366 days in a leap year. Leap year comes at 4 years once. 4 years, every 4 years, one leap year. Okay. Here 365 days, here 366 days. How one day is increasing? How one day is increasing? Already we discussed here, for one revolution of the earth, earth is taking 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days, 6 hours. First year 365 days and 6 hours. Second year 365 days, 6 hours. Third year also 365 days, 6 hours. And fourth year 365 days and 6 hours. Let us observe here. In first year 365 days and 6 hours. In second year 365 days and 6 hours. Remaining 6 hours, here 12 hours. Okay, 6 hours plus 6 hours, 12 hours. So half day. Next, in third year, here 6 hours plus here 12 hours. Total 18 hours. How many hours? 18 hours. In the fourth year, 6 hours plus 18 hours, 24 hours. One day is increasing. What is the meaning of 24 hours? One day. 24 hours is equal to one day. So this is what the reason to the day which is increasing in leap year. In a leap year. Okay. Every year 6 hours adding 3 years 18 hours. Fourth year 24 hours. Fourth year 24 hours. 24 hours means one day. So that is the reason. In a leap year we get 360 days, 366 days, and in February month 29 days we get. In February month we get 29 days we get. If somebody born on February 29th, okay, they should celebrate their birthday once in a 4 years. Yes, if anybody born on February 29th, for 3 years only February 28 only we have. In fourth year leap year only we have February 29th. So birthday celebrations 4 years once. Okay, this is what about planetary movements. Okay, how many kinds of movements are there? 2 kinds of movements. One is rotation, another one is revolution. One is rotation, another one is revolution. What is rotation? Moving on its own axis. Okay, moving on its own axis is called rotation. What is revolution? Moving around the sun in a fixed orbit. A fixed orbit. What is orbit? This way on which planets are moving. this is the Mercury orbit. This is the orbit for Venus planet. This is the orbit for Earth planet. If one more comes up for Mars, next one more for Jupiter. Yes, next one more for every planet having one imaginary orbit. Okay, it is what? Orbit. Okay, next, rotation and revolution of the Earth. For rotation, Earth is taking 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. It means approximately 24 hours. 24 hours means day. Due to Earth rotation, day and nights are happening. Due to Earth rotation, day and nights are happening. Next, due to revolution, seasons are happening. Yes, rainy season, monsoon, winter season. Yes, next summer season. So due to Earth revolution only happening. To complete one revolution, Earth is taking 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, in normal year, how many types of years? How many kinds of years? Two. One is normal, another one is leap year. Normal year, leap year. Normal year is consist of 365 days. How many days in a normal year? 365 days. How many days in a leap year? 366 days. How many days in a leap year? 366 days. How this one day is increasing? Already we discussed. Every year 365 days 6 hours. Next 365 days 6 hours. 365 days 6 hours. 365 days 6 hours. For 4 years 6 6 6 6. 4 6 ja 4 6 ja 24. 24 hours. One day is increasing. One day is increasing. How many days in February month? In normal year 28 days. How many days in February month? In leap year 29 days. Okay, this is what about the topic of planetary movements. Okay, to understand more things, just read lesson once again, so you can understand so many things. Thank you.